Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a friend over.
Hi, you mean you're at my house?
Yeah, okay. Today we're gonna be doing slime.
So yeah, we're gonna be doing slime, and I'm gonna be posting on my YouTube channel.
And also, you guys, I'm making, as you guys are noticing, that I'm making new intros every video. And yeah, that's just a notice. Just telling you, just to notice about that. And okay, wrong basket. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna move the camera, and also I am going to be voice talking.
Hey guys,
yeah,
what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wait, I'm gonna voice talk that, so
yeah.
I'm not gonna say like anything.
Yeah, but okay, let's get into the video. Alright. Okay. Stand, my camera is not working right now properly. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's start the slime. Okay, we're starting the slime. Okay, what do we need to do? What we need to do? Put the glue in. Of course, the glue is important. Like the main ingredient. Alright. It's so heavy. Okay, now I got it to my side. And then now okay, when am I going to open it? Alright, now I open it. Now we have to pour it. Duh, that's what we do with your glue and a slime. So what we need to do is just pour it in the slime like normal. And yeah, that's all you need to do at the moment. Just pour it in as much as you want. Oh wow, look at that spiral. Okay, anyways, I think I'm talking too fast. Okay, whatever. And then what you gotta do is just do your stuff, like put your shaving cream in. Like if you want to make fluffy slime. If you don't, just don't put it in. I'm just gonna put that much in. No, I changed my mind. More. Alright. Do I need more? Yeah, more and more. Okay, perfect. Now it's gonna be super thick and fluffy, yummy. Oh wait, yummy. A good slime. Okay, then put the contact solution in. Yeah, thanks B for the contact solution while I was putting my shaving cream. I need more. More. Perfect. Now what you gotta do is just put it in. The contact solution. Now go get your activator. I'm using metallic. It doesn't really come as metallic, but it works. But the contact solution is better. Just put it in. Just, open it up. Oh wait, I forgot to take it off. Okay, let's open it up. And just scissors. No, okay. Just open it with your hands. Boom. Put it in. Importantly. Do I have like a spoon? There, spoon. Boom. I don't have a spatula, but okay, I could use a spoon. Just mix it up. It's not turning into slime. But you first gotta put more contact solution. It is forming, but not enough. Contact solution. Mix it up, and I'm mixing it up. Mix it really well. Put some more contact solution until it comes to the correct texture. That texture we need. Okay. We are putting the texture in. Right. Boom. Put some more contact solution because your contact solution really helps. Not sticky and helpful with your slime. Alright, now mixing it up and mixing it up. More contact solution and I'm mixing it up. Oh wait, we're not mixing it up. Okay, put some more contact solution. Did I?
Here's Christine's TikTok.
Boom.
I have to edit that in.
Boom. There you go. Now mixing it up and I'm mixing. Oh, it's forming. Okay, good. That's a good sign. That's so sticky. Ew. Just keep on mixing. We need more contact solution. Or activator. Yeah, we need more activator. Get the bloop. Perfect. Now mixing it up. Next. No. Contact solution next. Perfect. And then you're just gonna mixing it up, and I'm mixing it up, and I'm mixing it up, and I'm mixing it up. Okay, more contact solution, solution, and dilution, contact solution. Just mix it up. Okay, just board. Perfect. Just mix it up. All right, it's forming though. It is forming. More contact solution.
And also
Contact lens solution.
No.
Is that how I say it? Contact lens solution. Solution. All right, perfect. All right, B, give it back.
A clown.
Or whatever. Just mixing it up and just get the right texture in your hands. You need that right texture. Texture you've been waiting for all of my life.
TikTok, no,
there you go.
YouTube, and TikTok.
Ew, sticky.
So make sure you guys go follow me.
What about like ew. Okay. That just made it worse.
Maybe Beatrice.
Just mix it. Just use some more contact solution. B won't care if her contact solution bottle got a little dirty.
Content I posted this morning.
Alright, mix it up. Oh, it's forming though.
Wait, I haven't
Well, I do need more activator.
Just
Ew,
send me the
clap.
one I
Ew,
made
that's
earlier.
gross.
Don't you have this?
Where is the contact solution? Wait, literally right next to me.
So go do
It's not .com. I
Use it
promise.
up.
I'm sorry.
Alright, perfect. We put it in.
I'm like,
Squirt.
www.
Squirt. Mix it up. Like mix it up. We need that mixing. And when you mix,
You might like my TikTok.
once you mix it,
And then maybe I'll stop eating. You never know. Okay, now we're gonna
just do your stuff. Alright, now, there we go. Now I got my slime all mixed up in my hands. It's a little sticky, so I'm gonna put some more contact solution in. In about 30 seconds, I will.
Thanks so much for watching.
Back in the bowl. Oh, poke it. I never knew that I did that when I did this voice cover.
Alright, so teach me. So first, which app do you go to first?
Oh, that sound. I'm sorry you can't hear it, but it's so good. Hey guys, what's up? You guys made it this far to the video. Shout out to whoever made it to the end of the video. During meeting time, I got it all over my chin, like in my hair and the camera. So yeah, I'll clean it up eventually. But thanks for watching. You got it this far, and I did make a white fluffy slime, guys. I just made a how-to, and hope you enjoyed. Bye.